Jack had always struggled with negotiating a good deal on anything. One fateful day, he decided to bring his pet parrot Polly to a used car dealership. Polly had a habit of mimicking Jack's voice, often with uncanny accuracy. The salesperson showed Jack a shiny red car, but the price was steep. Before Jack could react, Polly squawked in his voice, "That price is ridiculous. Drop it by $2,000. The salesperson, taken aback, quickly knocked $2,000 off the price. Jack, seeing an opportunity, tried his luck at another dealership with Polly. This time, Polly exclaimed, "Last time, I got it for free." Jack fainted, the dealership staff burst into laughter, and Polly became a local legend.